Oh yeah, we're in orbit. We're in orbit. Yeah, it's Marcel the Wood Butcher. Let me put the camera back, and then I'll explain what this is all about. Give me 2/6 of an arthritic lamb tail. Hey, what a beautiful ceiling and some signs. Okay, the noise you hear in the background is the kid learning from the wood butcher, but he's not working on wood. He's working on fiberglass and carbon fiber, a new fin for the back of his car. But he wanted to know some sanding techniques. So who did he come to? The wood butcher. Right? Uh, I gotta say, I'm very, very proud. Pardon the noise in the background because I won't interrupt it for a second. As a matter of fact, I'm more proud than a peacock to see him using the sanders on fiberglass and carbon fiber for the new wing or fin, whatever the hell you call them things that go on the trunk of a car that is supposed to keep them from taking off into flight or whatever. But he's doing it. And you know what? What makes me proud? He's doing it right. And he learned from the wood butcher. He got a little upset with me when I told him I'm going to fix this camera a second because I got off the bench that I don't have yet. That's my next project. I got to make myself a fucking, a bench. But I made him wear one of these guys, you know, an N25 mask. You see, I have a bunch of them in a plastic bag. I use them all the time. And I also made him wear a pair of safety glasses. Well, what do I need these for? I said, because if you're going to work in my shop, you're going to wear this stuff. Because I don't want to be responsible for shit if anything goes wrong. So, that's the way it is. You either play by my rules or you find somebody someplace else to do your work. Compliance was immediate. I'm so proud of this guy. Just graduated college, culinary arts, and baking, and applied sciences. He's gonna be 21 years old this July 2nd. I just wanted to share this to let you know that oh my God, I'm looking like a friggin' owl again, and I shouldn't. Oh, that looks worse. I don't see that. That's all concern. I really don't care, but it makes me proud to see the kids actually listening to advice from the wood butcher. So right now, take care. Remember, protect your eyes, protect your ears, protect your lungs. Never forget about these guys. And don't mind the background noise. I'm proud of that. That's the kid grinding away, doing his own project from what he was kind of guided on, I guess would be the right way to say. So right now, bye-bye.